Your retirement account is about to buy SpaceX stock. You didn't choose this. Nobody asked you. And the people selling? They got in when SpaceX was worth almost nothing. This is the SpaceX IPO. And it's worse than you think. SpaceX isn't one company. It's actually three. First, the rocket business. Falcon 9, Starship, NASA contracts. Impressive, but not where the real money comes from. Second, Starlink, the fastest growing telecom company in human history. 5 million subscribers, more than 100 countries, profitable on its own. This is the crown jewel. Third, xAI, Elon's AI company, quietly merged into SpaceX's balance sheet. And this one is burning nearly $5 billion a year. So when you hear SpaceX is valued at $350 billion, you're buying all three. The good, the great, and the money pit. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. Nasdaq just created a new rule called Fast Entry. Normally companies wait months before joining major indexes. SpaceX gets to skip that line entirely. Every index fund, every ETF, every retirement account that tracks Nasdaq automatically buys SpaceX. No analysis, no vote, just automatic, rule-based buying. And who's on the other side of that trade? Insiders, early employees, venture capital firms who paid $50 a share when the company was worth $10 billion. They sell. Your retirement fund buys at a $350 billion valuation. That's called exit liquidity, and you're it. Now, to be fair, this isn't necessarily a disaster. But let's talk about xAI for a second, because this is the part that should make you nervous. Elon didn't just merge xAI into SpaceX. He merged the losses in. The compute costs, the data center bills, the billions needed to compete with OpenAI and Google. And when SpaceX goes public, IPO money flows in, which means your investment is directly funding Elon's AI ambitions, whether you agreed to that or not. Starlink could double its subscribers. Starship could unlock an entirely new space economy. xAI could win the AI race. But history has a pattern with massive IPOs. Facebook traded below its IPO price for more than a year. Uber took 4 years to recover. Lyft still hasn't. The company might be great, but $350 billion is what you're paying, including the losses, the risk, and everything Elon hasn't told you yet. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The SpaceX IPO isn't a scam. It's not illegal. There's no villain in this story. It's just the game, and the game has rules most people never learned. Insiders get in early. Rules get rewritten quietly. And by the time the average person hears about it, the smart money is already on the way out. Your index fund will buy SpaceX on day one, at peak hype, at peak valuation, from people who've been waiting years to sell. You won't get a warning. You won't get a vote. You'll just get the bill. If this changed how you think about safe investing, share it with someone who thinks index funds have no risk. See you in the next one.